If you can communicate, you can influence. And if you can influence, you can change the lives. Hey everybody, here I am Rajan Chaube, public speaking coach and a content creator. आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं आप कैसे अपने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जर्नी को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे आप एक इम्पेकेबल कम्युनिकेटर पब्लिक स्पीकर बन सकते हैं, वो कौन कौन से स्टेप्स हैं जो आपको लेने चाहिए, कैसे आप बिना किसी डर के पब्लिक के सामने अपने आप को बेस्ट तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। द ईजीएस्ट वे टू स्टार्ट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज बाय स्पीकिंग। Listen again. The easiest way to start the public speaking is by speaking, by doing it again and again, by practicing. तो आज इस पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जर्नी के इस वीडियो में 5 ऐसे मेन पॉइंट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे जो आपको अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करने से पहले ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए। पहला पॉइंट, नो योर व्हाई। Why do you want to start? Why do you want to become a public speaker? When you know your why, you will know your way. क्यों करना है, आपका रीजन क्या है, गोल क्या है, क्या चाहिए आपको, नेम, फेम, मनी, रेस्पेक्ट, व्हाट एल्स, क्या क्या एंड क्या, फिगर आउट क्यों करना है। When you know your why, you will know your way. Knowing your purpose gives life to your goal, to your work, to your purpose. If you don't know why you want to do that, you will never be able to achieve your goal, your vision. If you don't know why you are doing what you are doing, you will never be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So write down each and every point why you want to do that. क्या है वो चीज, everything write down in your pointers, write down in your notebooks and then figure out what. दूसरा point, decide what you want to share, what you will share with people. Think why people will listen to you, what do you have to share with them, why people will give you attention, why they will give you their time, what do you have to share with them, your knowledge, expertise, their solution. ऐसा क्या है आपके पास जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकता है, आपकी नॉलेज, आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपका एक्सपर्टीज, आपके पास ऐसा क्या है जो उनकी गोल को अचीव करने में मदद कर सकता है, जो उनकी समस्याओं का समाधान हो सकता है। फिगर आउट क्या आप बात करेंगे, आपकी एक्सपर्टीज क्या है। फॉर दैट हाउ विल यू गेट टू नो कि व्हाट टू शेयर। फिगर आउट कि व्हाट इज योर एक्सपर्टीज, आपकी एक्सपर्टीज क्या है, आप जानते क्या हो, किस चीज के बारे में नॉलेज है आपका, किस चीज के बारे में इंटरेस्ट है, सो दैट you can learn and you can share with them so that they can get something valuable from videos or from your speaking. Or think what unique perspective do you have related to their solution, related to their problem, related to their goals, related to their vision. If you have something different, then start speaking about it. The more you know about your what, the more you will be able to share with them. तीसरा पॉइंट, you might know what to say but learn how to say. You might know what to say but learn how to say. हो सकता है कि आप जान रहे हो कि बोलना क्या है, बट सीखें कि बोलना कैसे है। Research says your words matter only 7% and your body language and your voice modulation matters 93%. So learn how to say effectively, how to present yourself effectively so that you can make impact. Understand man, आपके शब्द सिर्फ 7% भूमिका निभाते हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ 7%। बट जैसे आप बात करते हैं, जैसे आपकी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, जैसे आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, टोनैलिटी है, जैसे आप दिखते हैं, मैटर्स 93%. The way you look, the way you dress, the way you use your gesture, the way you stand, the way you move matters a lot. So focus on learning public speaking, learn from mentors, learn from teachers, coaches, learn from webinar, learn from seminar, but learn anyhow so that you can excel in your life. That's why I always focus on public speaking. You have to learn because this is the only skill that will gonna to help you in a longer run. If you want to achieve heights, public speaking is the only way reach there. Not everybody wants to listen your content, not everybody wants your product. So what? Figure out your target audience. किसको आपकी प्रोडक्ट की जरूरत है, किसको आपकी कंटेंट की जरूरत है। फिगर आउट आपके नॉलेज से किसको हेल्प हो सकती है, आप किन व्यक्तियों को उनके गोल्स को अचीव करने में मदद कर सकते हैं, उनकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में मदद कर सकते हैं, उनके विजन को अचीव करने में मदद कर सकते हैं, उनको एक बेटर वर्जन बनाने में आप मदद कर सकते हैं। कौन है वो लोग, कहाँ रहते हैं, क्या करते हैं, उनकी जेंडर क्या है, उनका प्रोफेशन क्या है, उनकी एज क्या है, उनका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, उनका पेन पॉइंट क्या है, वे आपसे चाहते क्या है। इफ यू नो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स देन कम अप विद द सॉल्यूशन, how you can figure that out, how you can solve their problem. When you know everything about that, then start speaking about it and go to them through your speaking skills and tell them this is the solution for your problem. Then only people will listen you. No matter how hard you work until you reach to the right people. And who is the right people? Your target audience. Your target audience is the right people you want. So be clear about your target audience. And fifth point, start speaking. आज तक इतिहास में कोई भी ऐसा ग्रेट स्पीकर नहीं बना जिन्होंने आज तक पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस ना की हो। So start speaking in front of people, start getting in front of people and start giving your inputs. You have to speak, but question arises, how to start, where to speak? I don't have any audience. You have, man. You just have to see where is your audience. Start speaking from your home. Start speaking in front of people who is living around you. Start speaking in front of your family members. Start speaking in front of mirror. Then start speaking in front of audience, a large audience. What you have to do is start writing your speech. Start speaking in front of camera and record yourself. See how you are speaking and improve every single day little bit. Every day, do practice every day and improve a little bit. And after some period of time, start with the local event. Go to the schools, go to the colleges, parties, gatherings, social places where you can get the chance to speak and start speaking, start doing practice so that you can improve your speaking skills. The more you practice, the better you become. The more you speak, the better you will speak. And nothing will happen if you don't start, man. Start from today. Start speaking from today. Start recording from today. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and do share with the people who really want to learn public speaking, who really want to start their journey in public speaking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.